Mopar's in Durham, yeah! That's sexy. Yo, guy!
Yo, close the trunk for a sec.
Yeah.
Let me see you try. I fucked up this Russell, we hustle, what the oh my.
Yup.
Did that switch on me?
Sup, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, my guy?
What you saying?
Yo, Sam, bro. I'm big sexy, dog.
Oh.
Hit your brakes. No buenos, bros. There's no...
Do your blinkers again?
Is the right working?
Yeah.
And left?
Yep.
Yeah. No brakes, though.
No brakes?
Try brakes now. No brakes. It's double... Yeah, I'm not sure. What kind of exhaust are you using, bro?
I got JBA shorty headers.
Yeah.
No cats, no muff. I got the X pipe straightened. No resonators. It's basically just.
Oh, so it's H pipe. It's
Oh,
not,
yeah.
yeah.
It's H pipe. It's
Okay.
not. Yeah. Because the X pipe actually has a different sound.
Yeah.
And I don't know. It doesn't sound nice to me. So I straightened it out. So it's just engine to ass.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the 3.5 tips on her.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she sounds nasty. You've heard her.
What? Louder than your girlfriend last night. Damn. Mopar's in Durham. That's sexy. Yo, guy.
Yo, close the trunk for a sec.
Yeah.
All right, so how do we do this, bro? New episode.
Are you getting a fucking picture?
Go.
Okay.
You already test drove it. Apparently, it thing's fast as hell. All right, so
nice.
this is where it starts. The clip starts right there.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is unscrew this here, and then just for safety precautions, because you don't want to break nothing, there's a little clip right here that you take out too.
Oh yeah.
Look at him telling you, eh?
Yeah, he's telling us. That's for sure.
And then, all right. So without breaking this,
Yeah.
you want to grab this little clip, release it. So push it that way. She unplugs just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Sometimes. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, of course this one wants to. There we go. And then, oh, there's one more on the top.
Three. So
This
three
one's got
total.
3 on this one.
3 on that side.
Yeah, that's weird. I guess we're missing one on the other side.
Oh yeah.
And there's your tail light.
Wow. Phenomenal. Now.
That looks like a derby car.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the new one.
Oh, those are tight, man.
Yeah, I know.
Those are tight, bro.
I'm in love with these things. So these ones are cool. They actually come with little spacers too.
Yeah.
So in case they're not tight enough, you can add spacers to them. You see extra spacers
Yeah.
there.
Do you need those for this particular?
No, I
vehicle?
don't. I don't need them actually right now. But
Yeah.
if you put it on and it's loose, then yeah, you might want to put them on.
Yeah, that's a lot of connectors.
Oh yeah. On that. A little rubber grommet in there. And now line her up. Slide her right in.
Keep going.
Oh, there, we're good.
We're good.
Alrighty. I'll start with the top one. Alright, and plug that back in and give her the lock. And she's locked in now. Another clip. You don't even need tools.
Let's do the other side, bro.
Did you get a picture
What?
of the before and after?
No, I didn't.
Why not?
I'm gonna get a picture
Oh,
of.
you got some spinny boys in there?
Yeah, some spinny boys. You just
Okay,
spin
how
it
many
back.
spinny boys?
There's only 2 of them.
2 spinny
There's
boys?
one up here and one
Okay.
down here.
Yeah.
Look at the rust.
Yeah, that's okay. Nobody sees that.
Nice, we spin those on.
Yeah, you spin them on. Just like that. That's what I call a 10-second install right there,
There you
buddy.
go.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah,
Oh,
and she's in.
And that's it, eh?
And that's it.
Whoa.
Doesn't know what to
Yo.
record.
Let's do this. Let's test them out. Hit the signal. Okay, signals are working. Try the right.